Veg Thali is a wholesome and traditional Indian meal served on a single platter. Delightful assortment of vegetarian dishes served on a large plate, all served in small bowls arranged on a round steel plate, creating a colourful, hearty and flavourful experience. This traditional thali includes cooling raita, aromatic Jeera rice, soft chapatis, tangy pickle, a variety of seasonal vegetable curries, creamy dal, salad, and a sweet dessert to complete the meal. Perfectly balanced and bursting with authentic flavours, it's a true celebration of Indian cuisine on a single plate. If you want Punjabi thali, Gujarati thali, Rajasthani thali, seafood thali, or non-veg thali, or any thali recipe, comment down below. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You Presents Veg Thali. Fry Jeera aloo. Take 1 teaspoon pure ghee. Add 1 to 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Half teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 pinches asafoetida. 6 to 7 curry leaves. 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Splattering for 1 to 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon cumin powder. Salt as per your taste. 1 sachet Maggi masala. Combine well. Keep roasting the masala 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 500 grams boiled potatoes with turmeric. Take 2 to 3 whistles. Keep roasting 3 to 4 minutes. Add a handful of chopped fresh coriander. Combine well. Our Jeera potato is ready. Let's make Matar Paneer. Add 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. 2 onions chopped. Sauté well until golden brown. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. 2 to 3 chopped tomatoes. Sauté well. Cook 5 minutes with lid on. It will turn a little mushy. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook until the rawness goes away. 10 to 12 cashews. Sauté well. Set aside for 10 minutes. After cool down, grind the veggies. Ground paste is ready. 1 tablespoon oil. 2 tablespoons butter. Combine well. Add the paste. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Mix together. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Half teaspoon coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 1 sachet Maggi masala. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam or paneer masala. Mix well. Roast the masala well. 1/4 teaspoon sugar is totally optional. Salt to taste. One tablespoon coriander leaves. Add some water. Roast well. 1/4 cup frozen peas. Add a dash of water to adjust the consistency. Combine well. Cover and cook on low to medium heat, after 7 to 8 minutes. Add 200 grams paneer. Mix well. Cover and cook for more 6 to 7 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Our Matar paneer is ready. Let's make Bhindi ki sabzi. Add some oil in a pan. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 onions chopped. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 2 green chilies chopped. 300 grams okra. 1 chopped tomato. By adding tomato, okra won't get sticky. Salt to taste. Cook by sautéing 12 to 15 minutes. Do not add additional water. 1 tablespoon Maggi masala. Do not cover and cook. Check with the spatula whether it's ready or not. If it breaks easily, which means it's done, our Bhindi ki bhaji is ready to serve. Dal chawal. Take half cup tur dal. 1/3 cup moong dal. You can take one of these as well. Add water. Combine and soak in water for half an hour. Dal soaked well. Rinse the dal thoroughly with water. Transfer into pressure cooker. Add 2 to 3 green chilies or as per taste. Half small onion chopped. Half tomato diced. Half teaspoon turmeric. Add some oil. Add require water. Mix all together. Pressure cook it until 6 to 7 whistles are blown. Switch off the flame and let the cooker depressurize naturally to open the lid. Mash well. Remove in a pan. Let it simmer. Add salt to taste. Coriander leaves. Combine well. Keep aside. Let's make tempering. 1 tablespoon pure ghee. Add some oil. Let the ghee melt and heat up. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Add 2 dried chilies. 10 to 12 curry leaves. 4 to 5 chopped or crushed garlic. Let them splatter. Keep stirring to avoid burning. It's time to temper. Combine well. Our dal is ready. For Jeera rice, take 350 grams soaked rice and add water in it. Add whole spices like star anise, black cardamom, cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamoms, bay leaves, 3 cloves, 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half onion chopped. Add require water, salt to taste. Coriander leaves, it's totally optional. Half teaspoon pure ghee. Give it a good mix. Microwaving rice in a rice cooker. Microwave safe type. Usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the rice type and your microwave's wattage. Let it sit covered for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking to finish steaming. You can cook rice in a pan as well. Fry all the ingredients except rice. Our rice is ready. Remove it in a tin to hold the shape. Press it. Let it sit 5 minutes to set. Meanwhile, let's prepare Boondi Raita. Take half cup crispy Boondi. Pour warm water in it. Mix well. Soak it for 5 minutes. Take 200 grams curd. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Quarter teaspoon red chili powder. Quarter teaspoon salt. Add a little sugar if you want. Whisk well to combine. Our boondis are soaked well. Drain off the water. Press boondi between your fingers. If it's mashed, it's ready. It's soaked beautifully. Transfer into curd bowl. Add some coriander leaves. Mix well. Combine all together. Our Boondi Raita is ready. Cook the chapatis. Flip it. Spray some oil. Cook from both sides. Press and cook well. Again, spray oil. Instead of chapatis, you can make puris as well. Keep flipping. Keep cooking. Press it to cook from all sides. Cook another rotis too. Spray some oil. Keep flipping. Keep cooking. Again, spray oil. Flip it. Press down gently to cook evenly. it's assembling time. Dish out. Aloo Sabzi. You can customize your own thali as per your choice. Matar Paneer. Dal. Bhindi Sabzi. A few ideas are here. Instead of this, you can put chole bhature. Instead of this Boondi, Raita, you can make tomato cucumber Raita or Shrikand as well. Sprinkle some chilli and cumin powder and crispy Boondis and coriander leaves. Demold rice, dab and shake to remove. Instead of Jeera rice, you can serve veg pulao as well. These are the fewer options available on my channel. Place chapatis. Add your favourite pickle. Your favourite salad, cucumber, tomato, lemon, onion, carrot, or green chilies. Add your favourite sweets, laddu, or a few options like gulab jamun, amras, or ravashira. Add crisp papadum. You can add mukwas as well. Voila, our veg thali is ready to enjoy. You can customize as per your preference. You can play around with flavors. Serve hot. A complete Indian meal served on one plate includes 2 to 3 vegetable curries, dal, raita or curd, rice, roti or puri, pickle, salad, lemon, chilli, a sweet dish, and a crisp papadum. It's tasty, filling, and gives you a bit of everything. A wholesome and flavourful platter featuring a delightful assortment of Indian vegetarian dishes, served on a large plate, all served in small bowls, arranged on a round steel plate, creating a colourful, hearty and flavourful experience, offering a variety of dishes that provide a balanced taste of sweet, spicy, tangy and savoury flavours, perfect for festivals or any occasions or wedding. Do try these wholesome, yummy comfort food recipes and share your valuable feedback with us. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.